Why your eating posture matters. We eat 3 to 4 times a day, sometimes more, so it is important that we sit properly while we do so. What does eating with appropriate posture entails, and where do we begin? Prior to the age of 6, a study focused on eating postures while seated. Come and join me if you want to learn more about the survey. Why is proper eating position so important? Ensures the torso is solid to support the head and allow for optimal respiration. The improved jaw stability and tongue and lip stability result from the improved head control. Ensures comfort and security, encourages focused attention when eating. Greater hand-to-mouth synchronization is made possible. Stops food and liquid from being aspirated into the airways. Increases digestion. Limits fatigue, encourages conversation and enjoyment during meals. Promotes accepting and experimenting with new meals. A variety of eating postures. There are 2 distinct eating stances, and they are sitting and standing. Which eating position is best? The sitting posture is superior to standing for eating and offers many advantages. More information regarding standing and sitting postures is provided below. An upright position. In general, standing helps with posture, pain, and stiffness. People who choose to stand over the sit report that they can concentrate better and that their minds feel more clear. But keep in mind that standing can lead to overeating, which in turn causes a variety of ailments. In light of this, sitting is significantly preferable to standing when eating. Seated position. There are 2 different styles of sitting in the Indian style. Seated on the ground. Occupying the chair. Only 30% of individuals worldwide choose to sit on the floor in this situation, despite the fact that doing so is significantly better and has numerous health advantages. More calories are burned when you sit on the floor as an Indian does than when you sit in a chair. People frequently eat their meals while seated on the floor in families. While the majority of us prefer to eat at a table and chair, some of us prefer to eat while watching television or while lying in bed. Despite the fact that it could be incredibly soothing, this may not be the greatest for your health. When they insisted that we eat while sitting cross-legged on the ground, our forefathers undoubtedly had a purpose in mind. Here are the health benefits of a good eating posture. 1. Can extend your life. Seems a little unbelievable, doesn't it? It's true what they say, eating while seated on the floor can actually lengthen your life. According to a well-known study in the Journal of Preventive Cardiology, those who could sit in Padmasana on the floor and stand up on their own were more likely to live longer. 2. Calms the nerves and unwinds the mind. Yoga Sukhasana and Padmasana pose, or sitting cross-legged on the floor to eat, have several benefits. Their ability to ease frazzled nerves and calm the mind is one of their most notable effects. Ayurveda regards eating with a calm mind as a useful skill that promotes improved digestion and, in certain situations, even improves food enjoyment. 3. Keeps your hip and knee joints healthy and lubricates them. Yoga positions like Padmasana and Sukhasana are among the best poses that have numerous health advantages for the complete body, according to a study. Sukhasana has a number of advantages. Along with improving the way your digestive system works, it also keeps your joints supple, flexible, and less prone to injuries and degenerative conditions like osteoporosis and arthritis. 4. Boosts heart health by increasing circulation. Have you ever noticed that after eating, you tend to feel warmer and occasionally even sweat? That's because our stomachs need all the energy they can muster to digest the food we ingest. Healthy blood flow is one of the most important components of digestion. Your heart often beats faster than normal to help your digestive system keep up with this process. Note, since most persons over 60 find it difficult to sit on the floor, a chair is a preferable option for them. They won't receive all of the aforementioned advantages, but some of them can be anticipated. The advantages of sitting postures are numerous. Eating with your family while seated on the floor encourages mindful eating. It not only helps you maintain proper concentration on the meal you were eating, but it also improves your eating habits and has other positive health effects. 5. Increases your flexibility. The muscles in your lower back, pelvis, stomach, and upper and lower abdomen stretch when you squat or sit in the Padmasana stance, reducing pain and unease. Your digestive system is then able to unwind and maintain its usual position as a result. 6. Improves your digestive health. Typically, when you sit on the floor, you do so with your legs crossed. This is known as Sukhasana or a half Padmasana and is a yoga stance that promotes digestion. 7. Aids in strengthening your bonds with your family. Typically, eating while seated on the floor is a family activity. A good moment of bonding is now. One of the benefits of sitting on the floor is that it promotes a relaxed and joyful state of mind, which makes it easier to listen carefully and pleasantly. 8. Aids for weight loss. Additionally, eating while seated on the floor has many advantages for reducing weight. Your mind instantly calms down and becomes more suited to concentrate on the food you eat when you sit in this position. Additionally, by adopting this posture, you are better able to gauge how much food you have eaten and experience fullness more quickly. 9. Improves postural control. Maintaining good health requires careful attention to posture. In addition to reducing the risk of injuries, good posture also reduces the likelihood of overusing certain muscles and joints, which can hasten the aging process and cause weariness. Your posture is immediately adjusted when you sit on the floor, straightening your back, lengthening your spine, and pushing back your shoulders, alleviating all the common aches and pains that come with poor posture.